Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a radio out of a 1969 Camaro. This comes from Bob in Gulf, Illinois. Bob has requested the modern FM conversion with the new wiring harness, so he gets the huge increase in output power. And he's also requested a blue FM stereo light to be installed behind the dial. So we'll be testing all this stuff right now. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, and we'll keep it on talk radio while I demonstrate the virtual balance and fader function. So here we go.
Sharing their experiences
There's
of coming
that.
out.
Okay, we'll need our
Bio
meters for
on the
this.
outstanding website.
Alrighty, going to
states
activate the front rear
it adds
fader.
that she is, quote, allies.
Fader adjust.
Okay,
Jay Wright,
so now the same
Charity
control
Stonewall,
is adjusting
and had
your
authored
front rear
numerous
speaker
articles
balance.
to
All the
promote
way front, all the way
LGBTQ
rear,
awareness.
front,
You know what?
rear.
That's something we just
Okay,
don't
I'm gonna
have
center
enough of. LGBTQ.
Fader
Fader
set.
set. Okay, left, right balance.
What an
Balance adjust.
Okay,
on her part.
all the way left. Say
Because
something.
if there's
All the
anything
way
missing in our
right,
society,
left,
it's LGBTQ
right.
awareness.
Okay,
These included
Balance
balance is set.
Melody Day.
Okay, let's go to FM, which we do by turning the radio off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. And I've got all 5 buttons set to FM stations in my area, so we can do this test really quickly.
Outdated. Make myself go by. Take a bullet, tell me you would die for me.
Okay, so that takes care of that. Once again, I always say this, when it's just the radio, I feel like I'm getting the day off here because it's so much quicker and less labor intensive than an 8-track radio. Let's make sure the dial light goes on and off, which we've seen is happening right there. So she's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me for service by visiting the website that's in the description below. And please download and print a work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the work order is for. Work order has all my options and prices, including options for turnaround time. I have to say that over and over and over, because I'll be on the phone with the customer and I'll tell them that my work order answers all your questions, including questions about turn time, and right away he'll say, so what's your turnaround time? So I just got to repeat this over and over and over and over until it becomes like instinctive to the customer. So at any rate, thank you so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Bob, for your business all the way from Illinois, and we'll see you next time.